All right, welcome back. Rothschild's Misfit Garage. Back in the shop today. Getting the girl ready for another show tomorrow. I'm going to spare you watching me clean it again. I think we've done that. Probably should have edited that little part out, but I'm learning. We're figuring things out here. Still almost a year with the channel. So we're going to head over to the show, check things out. I really just wanted to say thank you. We hit 325 subscribers, and that's ludicrous. I can't believe there's 325 people in the entire universe that want to watch me. But hey, I appreciate it. I have a lot of fun out here doing this. This is why I do it. It's a good time, but we are getting close to YouTube writing me that big, $7, $8 check. So that would actually be pretty cool. So please like, subscribe, tell a friend, start a few fake emails, subscribe with those. I mean, whatever gets you through the day. I'm just saying thank you. I really appreciate all of you watching. Hopefully I can bring some better content to the channel this summer. A year under my belt, starting to figure out what works, what doesn't work, what people want to see. They don't want to see that, so I'll never do that again. Yeah, but let's hit the show and let's see what's out there. That's awesome.
I'll stand behind there. It'll roast your weenie for you.
302? Really? Okay. That's peppy. I always like the lines of this car. Right there, man. And that fat ass with the hips. They've come a long way, but I like this one. Now, what year was Eleanor? 68? That's a bad car.